If you're a college student and ICE agents show up on your campus, do you have rights? Yes. Yes, you do. The first thing to understand is the difference between public and non-public spaces. Now, under the Fourth Amendment, whether law enforcement can access a space without a warrant depends on whether the space is open to the public. At public universities, much of campus, including outdoor spaces, quads, and public lobbies, is open to the public. ICE agents may enter those areas without a warrant or notice. Because open spaces at private universities aren't necessarily public spaces, private universities could order ICE agents to leave the spaces. Now, for non-public spaces, ICE's access is more limited. It requires a judicial warrant signed by a judge, not an administrative officer. Now, these spaces include classrooms and laboratories. Though these buildings may have public areas, the active instructional and research spaces inside them, those are non-public. Residence halls, rooms, hallways, and common areas behind secured entry points, those are non-public. Private offices, faculties and administrative offices, those are non-public too. And healthcare facilities. Clinical spaces governed by patient privacy regulations like HIPAA are non-public. So, what can you do if you encounter ICE agents on campus? First, don't obstruct them. Don't physically interfere with, block, or resist them, because interference can lead to criminal charges. Not obstructing doesn't mean you must waive your individual rights to peaceably observe, assemble, and protest. No way. Second, request documentation, but don't respond to anything on your university's behalf. If agents try to enter a non-public area like an office or a classroom, you may ask to see a judicial warrant. Importantly, an administrative warrant, a Form I-200 or I-205, signed by an ICE official is not a judicial warrant and does not confer the same authority as one. But don't sign documents or accept subpoenas on behalf of your university or any person. If the agents ask you to, you may simply inform them that you're not authorized to sign documents or accept subpoenas. Third, immediately notify your university. If ICE agents are present on campus, contact university authorities immediately so your school's legal counsel can review their documentation and ensure that they're acting within legal bounds. Now, I really hope none of you run into or up against any of the things I just described, but if you do, now you have some guidance to help inform your response.